Let's have a look at what linear equations are, understanding them, and ways of solving simple, straightforward equations. Now, an equation is a mathematical statement which contains an equal sign and where one side of the equation equals the other. Yes, so we have the left-hand side that equals the right-hand side. We don't always get those values, so to solve the equation, we work out the value of the variable or the pronumeral that makes the equation a true statement. This value is called the solution to the equation, where the left-hand side now equals the right-hand side. That's our solution. We can, for some simple equations, we can inspect that equation and then we can put in a solution and check to see if our solution is correct. Let's have a look at a couple of examples of how we could do that. So we're going to inspect the equation and see if it's correct. 4 times k equals negative 16. If I put x equals negative 4, yes. 3 times n plus 7 equals negative 1, n will equal negative 2. And x divided, or n divided by 6 minus 3, therefore n must equal 48. When I put those in, I see that those are the solutions. So these following equations can be inspected and then checked to see if our solution is in fact correct. So we're using inspection and checking. The first one, 9 minus I equals 12. We would see that, generally speaking, subtracting something from a number will make it less. We know using number laws that then 9 minus negative 3 give us 9 plus 3 will equal 12. 8 equals q plus 2, that one is fairly straightforward. 9 equals 13 plus g. If we add something to 13, it's going to increase 13, such as 4. So therefore what we're doing is we are subtracting, and we are subtracting 4 from 13. That gives us 9. So we can inspect it and then check it. We can then move on and take some information that we're given and put that into an equation and solve that the same way by inspection, and then we check. So in some instances we're given 4 is added to a number to equal 11, and therefore n must equal n plus 4, n equals 11. Then we subtract 3 from a number and we give negative 2, it gives negative 2, therefore n minus 3 equals negative 2, n equals 1. Then we have a quarter of a number equals 9, so quarter equals 9, therefore n will equal 36. The product of 11 and n equals 22, gives 22, then n will equal 2 because 11 2s are 22. The number is divided by 6, the answer is negative 3. Therefore it's negative 18, because if I multiply 6 by negative 3, I get negative 18. Now, this is fine for simple equations, but as we move through the topic, we'll see that we need a process to solve more than one step equation. So you could have 2, 3, 4, and even more steps in your equation. So we will need a process by which we can solve equations.